So this is the given question. For the solution, first we need to find up to n terms. A plus D, A plus 2D. Okay, up to n terms. So A plus D, A plus 2D are in AP series, are in AP. Therefore, Sn we need to find up to n terms. So we need to find n terms. Find nth term. So an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is LHS part. Okay, LHS part. A plus D, A plus 2D up to n terms. So this is LHS part. Okay. Now step 1, what is that? Let us show that n equals to 1 is true for given statement. Is true for the given statement. Just show that n equals to 2 for given statement. So what we have to write now? Okay. In the place of, now we have to say, in the place of n we need to first write LHS. What is LHS part? This is LHS part, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Write RHS part here. RHS, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now in the place of n, substitute 1. N equals to 1. Substitute in LHS and RHS part. Then a plus 1 minus 1 into d. Here also substitute n equals to 1. Okay, that is 1 by 2 into 2a plus 1 minus 1 into d. Therefore it is a. Here also it will be 1 by 2a into 1 by a into 2a. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 2 get cancelled. A is equals to a. A is equals to a. Okay, a equals to a. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Both are equal. Okay, LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to RHS. Okay, LHS equals to RHS. So S of 1 is therefore S of 1 is true. Okay. Next, what we need to write? Assume S of 1 is true. Next, assume S of k is true. Assume S of k is true. So for that given statement, S of k equals to a plus d plus a plus 2d, so on up to a plus, in the place of n we need to find k, we need to add k. Okay, now in the place of n we need to substitute k here, that equals to k by 2 into 2a plus k minus 1 into d. K minus 1 into d. K minus 1 into d. Okay. K minus 1 into d. Now let us show that n equals to k plus 1 is true. K plus 1 is true. So for this what we need to do is of k plus 1 is equals to a plus d plus a plus 2d plus so on up to a plus k minus 1 into d is equals to k by 2 into 2a plus k minus 1 into d. Let us go with adding term. We need to find adding term. We need to find adding term. Okay, now adding term will be chosen from, will be chosen adding term will be chosen from adding term will be chosen when k equals to k plus 1. Adding term will be chosen from when k equals to k plus 1. Substituted adding term will be chosen when k equals to k plus 1. Substituted in LHS part. That is, what is LHS part? A plus k minus 1 into d. Okay, in the place of k we need to substitute. In the place of k we have to substitute k equals to k plus 1. That is a plus k plus 1 minus 1. In the place of k we need to write k plus 1, again minus 1 into d. Now that equals to a plus k plus 1 minus 1 into d plus k minus k cancel. Then a plus kd. A plus kd is the adding term. What is the adding term? A plus kd. Okay, adding term will be chosen when k equals to k plus 1. Substitute in LHS part. So this is LHS part. A plus k minus 1 into d. A plus k minus 1 into d is LHS part. So in the place of k we need to substitute k plus 1. So k plus 2, k plus 1. That is k plus 2, k plus 1 minus 1 into d. So k plus 1 minus get cancelled. That is a plus kd is adding term. So this is the adding term. This is the adding term. So this is adding term. Adding term. Okay, this is adding term. So we have to add this adding term to this equation on both sides. Okay, to the equation on both sides. Okay, are you getting? We need to add. So let us show that n equals to k plus 1 is true. S of k plus 1 we have to prove a plus d, a plus 2d, so on up to a plus k minus 1 into d is equals to k by 2 into 2a plus k minus 1 into d. In the place of k, I substituted k plus 1. So substitute in LHS part a plus k minus 1 into d. That is k equals to k plus 1. A plus k plus 1 minus 1 into d equals to a plus, in the place of k what we have substituted k plus 1. So minus 1 doesn't cancel d. Adding term is a plus k. Okay. Add this adding term. Let us keep this as equation 1. Add this adding term to equation to statement 1 equation 1. Equation 1. Add this adding term to this statement 1, to this statement, to s of k plus 1. Add this adding term s of k plus 1 on both sides. sides, on both sides, then you will get S of k plus 1 is equals to a plus d plus a plus 2d. Okay, a plus d, a plus 2d, so on, a plus k minus 1 into d. Okay, plus this we have to add a plus kd. A plus kd is equals to, this is k by 2 into 2a plus k minus 1. K minus k by 2 into 2a plus k minus 1 into d plus a plus kd. A plus kd. Okay, a plus kd. A plus kd. A plus kd. Now what we have to do? We have to consider LHS. Sorry, consider RHS. Now consider RHS part. Consider RHS part, that is k by 2 into 2a plus k minus 1 into d plus a plus kd. K by 2 into 2a plus k minus 1 into d plus a plus kd. A plus kd. Okay, now we need to consider this. That is k by 2 into 2a plus k minus 1 into d plus a plus kd. Okay, so well, I'll expand this k by 2 into 2a plus k. Let's expand this, or what you are going to do is here kd expand here, it will be k into 2a k plus 2ak plus k into k square d, okay, minus k square d, okay, k square d minus kd, okay, by 2 plus a plus kd, by 1. Do LCM for this. Into 2. Then it will be 2ak plus k square d minus kd plus 2 into a, 2a plus 2kd by 2. 2kd by 2. Now what you are going to get? 2ak. Okay, 2kd. Let's take common from this. Right? 2ak, 2kd. At what? Okay, here kd is there. 2ak, no common. 2ak. Okay, plus k square d. Here minus kd. Here plus 2kd. That is 1kd plus 1kd plus 2a by 2. Okay, by 2. Okay, now what we have to do here? Write them in the proper order first. That is k square d, then k square d plus kd plus, from this both take 2a common. Okay, if you take 2a common, it will be k plus 1. 2a k, 2k. Okay, k plus 1 by 2. Okay, 2 plus 1 by 2. This is s of k plus 1. S of k plus 1 is equals to, all this of s of k plus 1 only. S of k plus 1. S of k plus 1. S of k plus 1. All this is s of k plus 1. S of k plus 1. Okay, s of k plus 1 is total. Okay, are we getting? Is this equal or not? We need to select. We need to choose. S of k plus 1. S of k plus 1. Now check. How we have to check? Check. Okay. In the place of k, substitute. In the place of k, substitute k plus 1. That is k equals to k plus 1. K equals to k plus 1. K plus 1. That is s of k plus 1. Okay. In the place of k, substitute k plus 1. Okay. In RHS part. In RHS part. In RHS part. Okay. RHS part. We need to substitute RHS part. That is s of k plus 1 is equals to, what is RHS part? K by 2 into 2a plus k minus 1 into d. So we need to substitute. That is k plus 1. In the place of k, we need to substitute k plus 1 by 2 into 2a plus k. In the place of k plus 1 minus 1 into d. Minus 1 into d. Minus 1 into d. Then what are you going to get? K plus 1 by 2 into 2a plus 1 minus 1 cancel. That is kd. Okay. K into total. K into 2ak. K into 2ak. K into 2ak. That is 2ak plus k into kd. That is k square d. K square d plus 1 into 2a. That is 2a plus 1 into kd. That is kd. Okay. By 2. By 2. Okay. Now write them in the order. First it will be k square. K square d plus from this kd. Right. Kd. Next from 2ka, 2a, which is common? 2a is common. If you take 2a common, what is there here? K. Plus, this is plus now, nothing is there, 1. Okay? By 2. So, k square d, k square d. Okay? Yes. Let us go with tick. Both are equal. Next, kd, kd. Yes. 2a, 2a. Yes. K plus 1, k plus 1. Yes. By 2, by 2. Okay na? Both are equal. This part won't teach in your colleges. Till this, they will teach in your college. Check. Must and should. Okay. If you are not going to do this check, examiner will not allow you to get. This is 7 marks question. They won't give 7 out of 7. If you do up to here, they will use 7 out of 5 itself. Why? Because you have to know whether it is right or wrong. They will check. Yeah, k square b. Kd, kd. 2a, 2a. K plus d, k plus d. By 2, by 2. This is a check. You can't find any in our workbook also. Okay now. Why? Because this is a sum up to here. But for our check, we need to check like this only. Okay now. Okay. It is our own knowledge. Then only you will score 7 out of 7. If you write this part, you will get 7 out of 7. Up to here, if you write up to here in workbook, in question bank, or also in your college, they teach up to here. They will get 5 to 7. 7 out of 5 marks. That's it. Okay. This is the extra part. The examiner want. Okay. Now who is going to do corrections? He don't want to check everything else. he will check everything else like this and he will put the marks. Okay, this is important. Okay, how you have to write? In the place of k, substitute k plus 1 in k. Substitute k plus 1 means ante what is k? In the k of k plus 1 it has, we have to, in the place of k we have to substitute k plus 1 in RHS part. So s of k plus 1 RHS, what is that? RHS is k by 2 into 2a plus k minus 1 into d. In the place of k I am substituting k plus 1, k in the sum. In the place of k I am substituting k plus 1 minus 1 d. Minus 1 doesn't cancel, you are getting this. Okay, next we are going to next question.